Welcome to the Land of Enchantment. Santa Fe and Albuquerque offer a perfect blend of world-class art galleries, stunning adobe architecture, and breathtaking high desert landscapes. From sunrise hot air balloon adventures to legendary local cuisine, this guide will help you discover the unforgettable memories waiting at every turn in these two iconic destinations. Your adventure across Santa Fe and Albuquerque covers everything from top sightseeing spots and family-friendly activities to unique shopping experiences, exceptional dining, and year-round outdoor recreation. Let's start planning your perfect New Mexico getaway. Begin your journey at Meow Wolf's House of Eternal Return in Santa Fe. This mind-bending, immersive art experience features over 70 rooms of secret passages and fantastical narratives, all housed within a former bowling alley. It is an extraordinary way to kick off your exploration of the region's vibrant creative spirit. Next, immerse yourself in the world of modern art at the Georgia O'Keeffe Museum in downtown Santa Fe. This stunning tribute to the iconic artist houses an extensive collection of her works, offering a deep look into her inspiration from the desert landscape. After your visit, a short stroll leads you to the historic Santa Fe Plaza. Explore Santa Fe's rich history through its landmarks. Visit the historic Santa Fe Plaza and the Palace of the Governors, experience world cultures at the Museum of International Folk Art, or discover the architectural mystery of the Loretto Chapel's famous spiral staircase, all essential stops for any visitor. Santa Fe's historic adobe architecture is a true treasure. From the Palace of the Governors, dating back to 1610, to the beautiful Cathedral Basilica of St. Francis of Assisi, these buildings serve as windows to the past. Take your time walking through these historic districts to truly appreciate their enduring legacy. For outdoor enthusiasts, hiking around Santa Fe is a highlight. Explore the Atalaya Mountain Trail for challenging climbs and incredible panoramic views, or enjoy the accessible Dale Ball Trail Network. Remember to arrive early at these popular trailheads, especially on peak weekends. Experience New Mexico from the sky. The annual International Balloon Fiesta in Albuquerque is a world-renowned event. Beyond the festival, you can enjoy hot air balloon rides year-round, or take the Sandia Peak aerial tramway for spectacular views stretching across the Rio Grande Valley. Please book your tickets well in advance. Discover more nature-focused activities. Ride the Sandia Peak Tramway, walk through ancient cliff dwellings at Bandelier National Monument, go kayaking along the Rio Grande, or enjoy birdwatching at the ABQ Biopark. These destinations offer unforgettable encounters with the natural beauty and history of the high desert. Combining family fun is easy here. Pair a morning sunrise balloon flight with an afternoon at Meow Wolf or the ABQ Biopark. Whether you are exploring volcanic rock art at Petroglyph National Monument or relaxing in Santa Fe's historic plaza, there are memories to be made for every member of the family. For even more adventure, visit Bandelier National Monument or the unique formations at Caxacatue Tent Rocks. A quick drive along I-25 connects Santa Fe and Albuquerque, making it easy to enjoy the Indian Pueblo Cultural Center or spend a day skiing at the premier slopes of Ski Santa Fe. Canyon Road in Santa Fe is a must-visit for any art lover. Walk along this half-mile corridor, home to over 100 galleries and boutiques. Surrounded by beautiful adobe buildings and shaded by pinyon trees, it is the perfect place to browse unique art, handcrafted jewelry, and local gifts. Shopping in Santa Fe and Albuquerque goes beyond the standard experience. The Santa Fe Plaza and Old Town Albuquerque are premier destinations, offering authentic Southwestern art, pottery, and jewelry. These walkable historic areas are perfectly situated for a relaxing day of browsing before dinner. Don't miss the Santa Fe Farmers Market. Located in the vibrant rail yard district, this market features fresh local produce, artisan cheeses, and handcrafted goods. It's a fantastic way to experience the authentic culture and agricultural heritage of the region while enjoying a beautiful morning. Finally, explore more shopping gems like the Rail Yard Arts District, the charming boutiques of Nob Hill in Albuquerque, or the rich cultural exhibits at the Indian Pueblo Cultural Center. Each destination offers a unique way to bring home a piece of New Mexico's incredible creative legacy. No trip to New Mexico is complete without diving into its culinary traditions. The region is legendary for its bold Chile cuisine, perfected at adobe restaurants and fine dining spots. Must-visit locations include The Shed, Geronimo on Canyon Road, and Café Pascual's. Don't forget to ask for your meal Christmas style. Santa Fe's historic plaza is the culinary heart of the region, packed with beloved restaurants. Canyon Road and Museum Hill offer a concentration of intimate bistros and contemporary American cuisine. In Albuquerque, the Old Town and Nob Hill districts provide exciting food scenes, featuring everything from indigenous dishes to eclectic craft cocktail bars. Experience New Mexico's sacred traditions with green and red chile. Explore local wine programs, craft breweries, and artisan bakeries. From the Santa Fe Farmers Market at the rail yard to sweet treats at the Indian Pueblo Cultural Center, there is a delicious culinary discovery waiting for you. Brunch in Santa Fe is a cherished weekend ritual. Discover incredible organic breakfasts at Café Pascual's, classic diner-style comfort at Tecolote Cafe, or spectacular handcrafted burritos at the Pantry. With warm hospitality and mountain views, brunch here is truly an event. For family-friendly dining, the Shed and Tomasitas are local institutions serving iconic New Mexican favorites. For something different, the Indian Pueblo Kitchen offers contemporary indigenous cuisine, while the Coyote Cafe provides a stunning rooftop experience. These spots combine great food with unforgettable atmospheres. Hiking in New Mexico offers access to diverse landscapes, from high desert foothills to mountain forests. Whether you choose the Dale Ball Trails near Santa Fe or the challenging summit of Atalaya Mountain, you will find spectacular views. Always remember to pack plenty of water and sunscreen for your adventure. For cyclists, the region is a paradise. Explore the foothills of the Sangre de Cristo Mountains or take on the Windsor Trail for stunning alpine views. Local outfitters offer rentals and tours, making it easy to enjoy the high desert landscape at your own pace. Experience the beauty of New Mexico from the water. The Rio Grande, serene lakes, and wetlands provide excellent opportunities for kayaking and paddleboarding. Whether you're looking for a relaxing sunset paddle or wildlife spotting, our rivers offer a unique perspective on the region's natural beauty. Expand your adventure by visiting world-class arts venues like the Santa Fe Opera, or explore nature through guided birding walks at Hyde Memorial State Park. You can also dive into history with tours of ancient cliff dwellings at places like Bandelier National Monument and Puye Cliff Dwellings. Discover protected nature sanctuaries that feel like living works of art. From the volcanic cone formations at Cacha Catue Tent Rocks to the ancient petroglyphs at Petroglyph National Monument, the landscape is full of wonder. These spaces offer peaceful exploration for all seasons. To get the most out of your trip, consider renting a car to explore scenic byways like the Turquoise Trail. Plan your visits to museums and popular sites for weekday mornings to avoid crowds, and be sure to book your tours and restaurant reservations well in advance. New Mexico is a year-round destination. Spring brings beautiful wildflowers, summer offers vibrant festival energy, fall showcases stunning mountain colors, and winter provides a peaceful atmosphere with skiing and local traditions like farolito lighting. Each season offers a unique way to experience the region. Santa Fe and Albuquerque are ready to welcome you. From the arts and history to the food and outdoor trails, this region creates memories that last a lifetime. Start planning your New Mexico adventure today. The Land of Enchantment awaits.